Hey friends, thanks for joining me. We have our 8th graders who are learning how to use the VEX robotics kits. And so the first thing we do, in order for them to get familiar with the pieces, we go ahead and they make a contraption that has at least 2 wheels that will roll down a ramp. The goal is to get the farthest. So they design it, then they test it, and then we compete. And here are the results. Thanks for watching. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, let it go. On, go. There it goes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, she's got a curve. Uh-oh!
Oh my God!
Ready, go! There it goes.
Alright.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Go! 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, wheels in the back. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, that was a little shove there, buddy. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go! Uh-oh! Uh-oh! The winner! Look at that one.